Welcome to Appspotr Academy. Today, we'll explore the PDF download logic block, which allows your app to download PDF files directly to a user's device. This feature is perfect for offering downloadable content like user manuals, invoices, or reports. For instance, consider an app that generates invoices for users. By using the PDF download logic block, you can allow users to download their invoices directly from the app. Let's walk through the steps to add and configure the PDF download logic block in your workflow. Drag the PDF download logic block into your workflow. This block will handle the action of downloading the specified PDF file. Next, connect the logic block to an event from your view. This event, defined as an output event in the view component, will trigger the download of the PDF file. Click on the PDF download block to open its configuration settings. Here are the key configuration steps. Define the inputs, including the file name and the PDF file you want users to download. The file name input specifies what the downloaded file will be called, while the PDF file input is the actual document that will be downloaded. Finally, set up toast messages for on success and on error scenarios. These messages will notify users whether the download was successful or if there was an issue.